FISANA also is the largest umbrella organization in the Indo-American senior community of the entire country, representing over 20,000 members. Throughout the year, FISANA hosts numerous events to gather together the senior community who miss India and bring forth displays of Indian culture, performance arts, literature, and much more. Recently, FISANA held its annual 2021 gala at the Royal Albert Palace, honoring key members for their efforts and contributions. The event also saw in support Deputy Indian Consul General of New York, along with ITV Gold's chairman, Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parekh. Here is the story.
Such a great pleasure to be here at FISANA's annual Diwali event here to join all the elderlies and seniors in our society. In my view, there's nothing better than to celebrate Diwali with them, to learn from them and to take their blessings as we also start our new year. A very happy new year to all the brothers and sisters. Thank you so much and a very happy Diwali to you all. Thank you.
Well, we all are lucky here, and I can see that I'm a proud senior citizen myself. I may not look like senior citizen, but I am senior citizen. And I'm very proud of it. Because when you become a senior citizen, you get a lot of experience, good and bad, lot of wisdom, good and bad. And you would like to advise a lot to the people, even though they don't listen to you, or they may not listen to you, or they may listen to you. But what you are doing here, you have created India outside India, India in USA. And believe me, even in Ahmedabad, senior citizen does not have this kind of gathering. So I must congratulate Deepak Bhai, Rati Bhai, and all FISANA to create this kind of atmosphere. And again, of course, credit also goes to Vishnu Bhai Patel and Mahendra Bhai Patel, who really holds the flag in the New York state. Please keep it up, because of you, our family gets a sanskar and empower the young generation with our sanskar, our sanskriti, our religion, our faith teaching, and that way you will see that your generation to come will be very successful, very honest, and very, very accomplished. So again, wish you all the best, and again, Nutan Varsha Abhinandan, and wish you all the best for coming New Year. Thank you.
ITV के दर्शकों को दिवाली और विक्रम संवत 2079 की शुभकामनाएं। आप सबको प्रभु श्रीनाथ जी बाबा स्वास्थ्य अच्छा बख्शे और समृद्ध रहो, सुखी रहो, आनंदी रहो एंड प्रभुमय जीवन बिताने की प्रयत्न करो, ऐसी प्रभु को प्रार्थना। आज यहाँ फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन अमेरिकन सीनियर सिटीजन एसोसिएशन की दिवाली की शुभ मिलन की रात है। पूरा हॉल में करीबन 1000 पीपल आए हैं और एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। ऐसे ही ये कोरोना के 1.5 साल में से जैसे कोई पंछी पक्षी पिंजरे में से निकलता है, ऐसे आज लोग निकल के सब एंजॉय करने का आए हैं। तो ITV के दर्शकों को फिर से एक बार किरण देसाई का खास नए साल की शुभकामनाओं और आपको प्रभु हमेशा सुखी रखे। जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री वल्लभ।
વિષ્ણુભાઈ પટેલ, આજે ફિસારાનું સિનિયર સિટીઝનોનું છેલ્લા 20 વર્ષથી ચાલતો પ્રોગ્રામ આજે અદ્ભુત ગયો। બધા તે સાથે સહકાર મળી દાનની રકમો આપી આ ફિસારાને દિવસે દિવસે કેમ એની પ્રવૃત્તિઓ વધે, બધા સિનિયરો અને ઇન્ડિયનો એક થઈ અને સમાજનું અને દેશનું હિત ઈચ્છે એવી અમારા બધાની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ। આભાર।
Good evening. My name is G.K. Patel. Today we are all get together at Royal Albert to celebrate Fisana's annual day. It is very, very good organized program today. We have approximately 400 people attending the program. So far, music and food is as usual like Albert Palace. You get a good food and everybody enjoying the program. God bless America, God bless USA. Thank you. I'm a past president and one of the original, initially we started in Fisana. I'm the second or third president of Fisana, past president. And Fisana is right now, it's more than 20 years and servicing all Indian seniors in New Jersey and around other states around too. Thank you.
Thank you very much. My name is Mukund Mehta and my wife's name is Padma Mehta. Today we had come to attend Fisana's Diwali program. This was a great program. Number of associations have been represented under the umbrella of Fisana and everybody enjoys it. And the main thing is that the seniors who take a part in various activities, they always remain young. So it is by appeal that age is just the number. It is the participation in various activities that will make you young and energetic.
Thank you. Thank you, ITV. My name is Deepak Shah, chairman of the Fisana. Tonight was a great event of a Diwali function of Fisana, Federation of Indo-American Senior Associations from North America. Every year we do some program to elevate the life of senior people in the tri-state area. This year we have a unique program because of the last year we could not do any event because of pandemic. I guess seniors are more get lifted with any kind of program where they can be appreciated.
Our group from Ben Salam, Pennsylvania, and we are proud to be here. We are senior citizen there, and our group is always get together 5 times a year. We do the Diwali functions, we do the picnic, and we do the Garba Raj.
Sunny Patel from Ben Salam, Indo-American Senior Citizen Association. We proud to be here with the Fisana. Fisana we came first time, but we enjoy and everything. And we do the same thing. Thank you. Happy Diwali, Happy New Year, Raja Party.
Hi, my name is Praveen Shah. I have been invited in Fisana to represent my hospital, called Jalaram Hospital, which is in the Meghraj, in the state of Gujarat, near the border of Gujarat and Rajasthan. This hospital has been a 25-year-old hospital, but it is using a very old technology, and the hospital is falling apart. So I made a proposal to build a new hospital with the latest technology. And right now, over there is 85% population, the poor people. We provide a free service to everybody.